ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 Jyoti ji, you were in Rishikesh, right? Recent camp? Jyoti ji. Hello. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Guruji, you are audible.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, Magida ji, Jyoti ji was also in Rishikesh.
Oh,
No, she
Recently.
has come back. She has come back.
No, I know she has come back, but she was
Yes, she
in
was.
Rishikesh. And
Yeah, I was
Jyoti
there for
ji,
10 days.
yes. So Mahita, she's one of my students. She also was there. She's newly
Acha.
joined in this class. She also was there. Probably would have met both of you. I would have met, but don't know that both of them are my students. Huh? But you have met. Jyoti ji, I was in which camp? Brahma.
Brahmatmananji.
Brahmarpanji camp.
oh, okay.
And Magita was in Swami Shankar on the camp. The Gita course was going on, right, Jyoti ji?
Yes.
So
Okay.
she was there. Part
So
of
I
the
met
batch.
Shankarananji also
Oh, yes.
because my
yes.
niece is a student on Zoom.
Okay. So, so she was learning from Shankaranji Gita, 6 months course.
Yes.
And I know that before I would have made you, both of you, interact in Rishikesh. I didn't realize. Okay.
Yeah.
Some other time, Guruji, for sure.
Sorry?
Some other time we'll get the opportunity again.
Yes. So both of them at the same campus, and you would have met anyway. Of course, you would have met her also, but now you know when you see her, you'll recognize. Probably.
Yeah.
But the point is, I have never seen any of my online students. Okay, and they come and they introduce themselves to me. Sharanji, how are you? I will ask, who are you? The first question is, no, I'm your online student. I'm so and so. Oh, really? Oh, sorry, because I don't see any of them.
Yeah, that is true.
I don't see any of them. I've never seen anyone, whether they are, whatever it is, male or female. Of course, from the name only I can make for the voice and name. Otherwise, I don't know. I've never seen anyone. My prarabdha is something like that, special prarabdha. I've never seen any of my students. Only maybe few I have seen. But because they have come here and met me personally, some students. or in probably in the Gurukulam. Otherwise, I have never met them. Anyway, in one way, it's good also. Okay. So we have taken a shift from Shatra. We will get back to Shatra quickly, maybe another two, 3 classes. Now, understanding a dhatu, that's the topic. You understand the dhatu, right?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Dhatoho amshadvayam asti. Kim tat?
Itansh, Anitansh.
Yes, very good. Itamsha, anitamsha. What is the significance of itamsha of a dhatu?
Atmanepadi, Parasmepadi.
So, and
And of course, some other like Numagama and all.
exactly other significant
Idit.
things can happen because of the ita letter, right?
Yes.
And when a dhatu would be an atmanepadi, meaning when it can take atmanepadi.
Anudatta.
Iditamsha is
Anudatta.
Anudatta.
Yeah, if the itamsha of the dhatu is anudata, when we say anudata, then the itamsha must be a
Svara.
vowel, right? And the swara of the vowel, if it is anudata, then the dhatu must be atmanepadi. Or suppose if it is a consonant, the ita letter,
Nit or Git.
Nit.
exactly. If it is nit, then it is atmanepadi. If it is nit,
Ubhayapadi.
talavya,
Ubhayapade.
ubhayapadi, right? Kartrabi. And ubhayapadi means when you use atmanepada padarupam, parasmapada dhatu is ubhayapadi.
Palagami Kriya Padam is Parasmepade. And for self is
Kartragami.
Atmanepade.
Yes. Kartragami kriyapale atmanepadi, paragami kriyapale parasmai paribhavati. Parasmai pada pratyaha bhavati dhatoho paraha. Okay. And also the dhatu, the itamsha of the dhatu having the swara, swarita, then the dhatu, that also
Ubhayapade.
ubhayapadi.
Ubhay.
All those things we have seen, right? Okay, this is about itamsha. So itamsha determines whether the dhatu is parasmipadi or atmanepadi. Mainly you have to remember udata, right? Sorry, anudata. It's udata, I'm saying. Anudata. Anudata. If the swara is anudata is something important, special. Rules are given stating anudata. If the dhatu is, the swara of the itamsha of the dhatu is anudata, then it is atmanepadi, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, with regard to the other amsha, what is the other amsha?
Anitamsha.
Anitamsha. If the swara of the anitamsha of the dhatu is anudata, then the dhatu is
Anit.
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 Anit. Okay. So you see, the significance of anudata is important. Now, let us we are seeing. First we have defined what paraspadi, atmanepadi, etc. We are saying. We have seen. Now we are seeing now it with regard to it. Just for the sake of Magita, we just quickly. Mudha is a dhatu. Okay, what kind of dhatu? How do you refer to it?
Upadeshika.
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 It meaning?
Found in the
Okay.
Huh?
As given in Upadesha. In
It is in
Dhatu
the
Pata.
Upadesha, Dhatu Pata. Therefore, Aupadeshika Dhatu. Aupadeshika Dhatu with the ita letter, right?
Yeah.
Here, that ita letter is
Akara.
Akara. A is ita letter. And Anitamsha, what I mean, the vowel which is not the it,
Okay.
which is Ukara.
Ukara.
Anitamsha, what I mean, Anitamsha of the Dhatu is, that is the ach, the vowel, which is not a it, which is a part of the Dhatu, and the swara of the Dhatu is given Udata. Ukara is the Anitamsha of the Dhatu, and its swara is Udata. Itamsha of the Dhatu is Akara, and you can easily know it as it because it is Anunasika. Ach, Anunasika char, it only. The previous class also I told. And the swara is Anudattaha. Anudattetaha tells you swara is Anudata and it is it letter. Anudata plus it.
It.
Anudattet. Anudattetaha iti. Okay.
Hmm.
It is Bahuvachanam actually. When I'm copied from that Dhatu Pata. That's why I've written as it is.
Hmm.
Okay. Anudatet, Udataha. Fine.
And the
Now,
swara should be given, no, Guruji. Like we won't know whether.
yeah, Swara is given in the Dhatu Pata.
Okay.
I'll take an example. I'll show you. We'll come to that. So the Itamsha of the Dhatu, if it is Anudata, then the Dhatu is what I said? Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi.
If the Anitamsha of the Dhatu is Anudata, then it is Dhatu must be
Anit.
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 This you remember. Any condition other than this is, it is the Dhatu is Parasvipadi, or Dhatu is not Anit. It means set. Okay. With this background, only for you, Mahitaji, with this background will enter.
Thank you.
Now, the last class we saw Kru Dhatu, which is little difficult only. I have not taught you the Tanadigana Dhatu, but still I could follow. I appreciate that. Now we will take up the next Dhatu and then do the entire, different forms, whatever pratyas we added. You can see. What is the next Dhatu? Whatever Dhatus are introduced for, here we studied for we took up for whether to find out whether Dhatu is Parasvipadi, Atmanepadi. Same Dhatu, set of Dhatus only I'm taking. I'm not taking any other Dhatu. So Kru Dhatu we have done. And Aka, I think we took in the beginning itself.
Yeah, first one.
Aki also we took. Kru
Yes.
also we have done. Now let us take Ing Dhatu. Now, see the Dhatu Pata. Now, which Gana is this Dhatu? How do you know which Gana? You don't know, right? Take the Dhatu Pata. This is Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata. Then, okay, given the Dhatu, how do you know?
The last
Gana of the Dhatu.
bibliography list.
Exactly. Go to the index.
Index.
And Dhatu is Ing Dhatu. See the index. And this is in alphabetical order. Therefore, A, E, E. Here it is. Do you see on the right side? Ing. Which Gana?
Adadika.
Adadi meaning
Second Gana.
second conjugation. Second conjugation, the first Dhatu is Ad Dhatu. That is why the Gana is called Adadihi. Ad Adihi. It's a compound. Bhugavegi Samasa. Ad Adihi Yasya Ganaha Ganasya Saha Ganaha Adadihi Ganaha. You know, we refer to, no, this person is A class means A section. We can refer to the A section is a Visheshana to this person. What is A section? That is, the boy is referred to as the section to which the boy belongs to. That's called A section. Similarly, the Gana to which the Dhatu, Ad, etc. are there, that Gana is Adadihi. Understand? Simply like that. So, Ing Dhatu is Adadi Gana Dhatu. Second conjugation. What is the Dhatu number? Number is given
49.
49. And here, what is the Ita letter? Akara is Ita letter. Content is E.
Git.
Right? I told you, if the Dhatu is the Dhatu having the Swara, the vowel as Ita letter, and if the Swara is Anudata, Dhatu is Atmanepadi. Or if the Dhatu is Nita Dhatu, then also it is
It is Atmanepadi.
Anepadi.
Atmanepadi. The rule is like that. Anudatetaha, meaning Anudata It letter, meaning the It letter is a Swara, vowel. Or if the It letter happens to be a consonant, Akara, right? Then the Dhatu also, then also Dhatu must be
Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi. I think I have given the rule. Anudat Atmanepadaha.
Yep.
Putra. Somewhere I have mentioned. Okay, later I think I have given. You can see the document, you will find out. Now let us take this Dhatu. Anudata Gitaha Atmane Padam. Just a rule. Anudatetaha Nitaha Anudateta Nitaha Atmane Padam. Okay, that the either one is enough. See, either only one ith letter will be there, right? The dhatu
Yeah.
is the ajanta dhatu. Then the ith letter must be
Halanta.
al letter. If the dhatu is alanta dhatu, then the ith letter must be
Ajant.
Ajanta.
not ajanta, ach.
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 Each letter. Like for example, the dhatu is kru dhatu, ajanta dhatu, and we have a packing letter, hal letter. Similarly, here the dhatu is anka dhatu, halanta dhatu, and we have the packing letter, vowel,
Ikara. Ach.
ach letter. So if the swara of the ith letter is anudata, ith letter swara is the swara of the ith letter means then it is it's, when we say swara, anudata swara, the ith letter must be a vowel only, right? Whatever may be the vowel, doesn't matter. Swara, when we say, it could be only for the vowel, right? Can it be for the consonant?
Yes.
Consonant cannot be pronounced independently. How can they have swara? Right? The anudata, that swara classification is only for the vowels, not for the consonants. So when we say anudata ith letter, means it has to be a vowel. And the swara is, the vowel is anudata, or the packing letter, if the packing letter happens to be a consonant, and if it is nakara, it means that the ith dhatu, nakara is ith, then the dhatu is atmanepadi. It's a rule.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what? If they are not, parasmipadi, simple. If they are not, it has to be parasmipadi. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But there also we say, before that parasmipadi, we say one more thing. What is that?
That niya is because swarita.
This is what the rule is. This, yeah, anudata ngita atmanepadi. Yes, if the dhatu is ngit or having anudata yit, then it is atmanepadi. This is the general rule. Then we say, if a dhatu is ngit, meaning yakara is a ith letter, or having a swara, swarita swara,
Swarita.
then it is ubhayapadi. If neither of them, then the dhatu
Then
is
it is parasmepadi.
parasmepadi. So therefore, parasmepadi dhatus, you will have the swara udata. Simple. If the swara of the ith letter of the dhatu is anudata, then atmanepadi. If it is swarita, ubhayapadi. If it is udata,
Parasmepadi.
simple. So anudata, you remember it. Then other things will fall in place. Anudata atmanepadi. Last class, something formula, something like that.
You
Again,
did.
Yes.
Anudata atmanepadi.
And
Swarita
Anudata,
ubhayapadi. Yeah. And udata is parasmepadi. What is that, Jyotiji? What did you say?
and same thing, Anudata Anit.
Exactly.
Or Anitansh.
You can remember like that. Anudata, the beginning with akara. Atmanepadi, beginning with akara. So Anudata, Atmanepadi. Similarly, Anudata, Anit also. Right? Remember this, simple. It becomes simple for you later. Otherwise, you will have to have so many information. All the three. One is enough. You remember this. Anudata, Atmanepadi. That is enough. If it is not Anudata, if it is Swarita, ubhayapadi. If it is not Swarita, it has to be Udata only, then Parasmepadi.
Parasmepadi. Yeah.
Right. Now let us take the Dhatu. Now, in Dhatu, what we are taking up for our discussion, what Dhatu, Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi, that discussion already over, but we are not, we're going to see now it or an it. Itvam or anitvam of the Dhatu. Now, this Dhatu is Atmanepadi. Why? Because Nit Dhatu. Nit, based on the Anitamsha, which is a consonant here, it is Atmanepadi. Now we have to find out whether it is Set or
Anit.
Okay, let us see. Anitamsha aspect of the dhatus we have discussed. Now we need to discuss only the itamsha of the dhatu. I mean, part of the dhatu. I mean, anitamsha we have to discuss. Based on that, itvam of the dhatu is determined. Okay, let us see. 1 minute. Let us copy the same thing. All the lakaras, etc. Last class, I think, would have been little tougher for you, right? It's okay.
Yes.
You don't need to know everything because I have not taught you Kru Dhatu. Kru Dhatu, Lakara, leave it, no problem. Yeah, I mean, you know the forms which
Yes.
no one we don't chant nowadays, but we have been
Prachayas.
chanting that. It's fine. Now you take this. Itamsha is Ngit. Dhatoha Itamsha is Ngit. Therefore, Dhatu is
Atmanepade.
Dhatohu Atmanepadi Bhavati. Atmanepadi Bhavati. I'm putting the same format. Itamsha is this, therefore Dhatuhu Atmanepadi Bhavati. Fine. Then Anitamsha of the Dhatu is E. What is the swara of this? Okay, that we have to find out. Don't see what I'm highlighting because I'm just copying this same thing I'm doing. We'll change it. Now, what is the swara of the Anitamsha of the Dhatu? Anitamsha is the vowel. E. And also another important. This is Ekach Dhatu, right?
Yep.
The condition is applicable only for Ekach Dhatu. Please note. It is we know it, that's why I'm not saying it. Ekach Dhatu means Dhatu having only
One.
vowel.
one vowel. Almost all the Dhatus of the Dhatu Pata are one voweled Dhatu, right?
Yeah.
Dhatus which are derived, they must have more than one vowel because they are derived.
Yeah.
Like in the last class, what we saw, Megita.
Nijanta.
Chari, no? You can Anekach, they are called Anekach. So Ekach, Anekach.
Okay.
Okay. So this Atmanepadi rule, whatever I said, applicable only for Ekach Dhatu. And this it also.
Okay.
Ekach. Now let us see. Adadigana
49.
49th Dhatu.
49.
Let's go there. Why should you go there now?
Swara.
Exactly. We have to
Swara.
find the swara of the
Anitansha.
Anitamsha of the Dhatu. Anitamsha of the Ing Dhatu is
E.
E. Ikara. E. What is a swara? Adadigana. Number 49, right?
9.
Now here, 49. Do you see? This book helps us by giving what Bhasha, Atmanepada Bhasha. We don't require it. Can easily find out, right? But he has given. This helped us by giving. Ing Adyayane. Right? Adhyay. From this only we get all the words. What are the words? Adhyaya, Adhyayana, all those.
Adhyapaka, Adhyayana.
Exactly. Adhyapaka also. One Pukkagamam. Adhyapaka is one null
Teacher.
pratyaya with the Pukkagama welcome. Adhyapaka, Adhyapika. Although I think we saw recently also. Something that in the related dhatus. Not in this class, I think in the advanced class. I will say, we'll say that no problem. So ing dhatu, important dhatu. And this dhatu always will have
Comes
the
with Adhi Upasarga.
Adi Upasarga. Adi Purvaka ing dhatu. Without being saying, the dhatu will have the Upasarga Adi. Adi Purvaka ing dhatu. Adhyaya, Adhyayana, all are derived. Aditaha, Tapratyaya. Now, see the 50th. What is given? Anudataha Ngita. So Ngita means Nakara is it, therefore Dhatu is Atmanepadi. That part we discussed.
And E is Anudatta.
Yes, the Anitamsha, Ikara, the swara of that is
Anudatta.
Therefore it is
Anit.
Exactly. So the swara of the Anitamsha Dhatu is Anudata, then it has to be Anit. That's the rule. Anudata, Anit, right? Anudataha, therefore it has to be Dhatuhu, Kimbhavati, Dhatuhu,
Anit.
Anit Bhavati. Why? Anudatatvad. The hetu is because the swara is Anudata, therefore it has to be Anit. Okay, not Anit, Anit, Anit. Don't confuse with Anit and Anit. Here, this is our term, It, Anit. It, negative of it is Na, It, Anit. Similarly, it, negative of it is Na it,
Anit.
anit. Based on the swara, we determine. Anudata, therefore anit. Right?
Mhm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let us do Kartari, Sarvadhatika, Lakara, Rupani, Let Lakara. Which conjugation? Second
Second.
conjugation. Dhatu is,
Atmanepade.
therefore, Let Lakara,
Modate.
te. Originally it was ta. Ta will become te. What is Gana Vikarna? Shap will come. But shap will come and shap will become,
Lopa.
yes. We don't say lopaha, we say look.
Look.
Look also means the meaning is lopaha only. Shapaha look bhavati. Look means after the lopa of the pratyaya, angakarya cannot happen. That is why look. That's why that is significance of look. If angakarya is possible because of the shap, that will not happen. Because it is lopa. Right? It is lopa. So therefore angakarya will not happen. You understand? Shab comes because of Shab, Angakarya is possible. Possible or not? He will can become Iganta, can take
Guna.
A.
Guna. But Shab is becoming look, right?
Yes.
Therefore, Angakarya will not happen. You come to the office, but you don't work. Why should I give you salary? Simple. Right? Like in government office. You come on, don't come first on time, and you don't work also, you don't make the files move. When why salary, Angakarya will not happen. Something like that. Okay. Shab comes, but Shab doesn't become just a lopa, it becomes look. That's why we say look special. Therefore, what will come? E plus
E plus
A
te.
alone. And as I said before, this generally will be
Adite.
Adi Purvaka. You can always have Adi Upasarga. Prayena Adi Purvakaha Bhavati Ing Dhatuhu. Adi plus E plus Te. Te is what pratyaya?
Atmanepada Ting Sarvadat.
So what can it do? Anyone?
Sir,
You have to add yet, no?
Why yak? We are not
it's
doing
not
karmani, right?
Karmani.
Okay, okay.
Karmani only yak. Kartari is very clearly written. Kartari sarvadhatka lakara rupani. Natu karmani. Okay. Karmani only yak. Sarvadhatike pratyaye pare. When a sarvadhatka pratyaya follows, gana vikarana will come, which has come. Kartari, gana vikarana will come. Karmani, yak only will come. Gana
Yak
vikarana
will
will not
come.
come. Okay.
Vikarana.
Yak will come only in karmani. Vikarana pratyaya. Okay. Now Adi plus E plus Te. Come on, what will happen? Can Te cause Angakarya? Yes or no? All these things everybody knows.
Yes.
Vajita, you also know it.
Yes, Guru.
What will happen? Ikarasya. E, that is Dhatu. What will happen to the Anga E?
It cannot because it's a bit.
Exactly. The followed by Sarvadharthaka, but it is Atmanepada Pratyaya. Therefore, it is Apit Pratyaya. Only among the Ting Pratyayas, what are the Pit Pratyayas?
Kingship.
Think.
No,
With pratyas.
No, I'm
Pit,
asking
mip,
what are
Prathama
the
Purusha.
Pit? Yes. Pit, Sip, Mip.
Ekvachana of all the
Yes.
All pit
Parasmay Pada.
Parasmepadi Ekvachana.
Parasmay Pada, Ekavachana of all the Purushas, they are only Pit. Pit, Sip, Mip. The rest are
Apit.
Sarvadhatuka, but Apit.
Apit.
Because it is Apit, no Angakarya. Otherwise, he would have become A, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't happen. It will not happen also. Therefore, yes, Angakarya not possible. Therefore, we can do Adi plus E will become
Adhite.
what Sandhi?
Savarna
Ah,
Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha. Adi plus te Adite. That's what Prathama Purusha. Saha Adite. He studied. Studies, not studied. Saha Adite. Understand? That's simple. Any doubt in this? Is it clear? I'm doing only Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Other forms? Other forms you can do. You want me to do it? Otherwise, you can say adite. Then what is Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam?
Ithe.
Te ite. Yes, very good. Tell
Ante.
me.
Te ithe ante.
Okay, fine. Tell me the form.
Adhyate, adhyete, adhyante.
Adyete.
Please say it again. What is that?
Adhyate, adhyete, adhyante.
Adyate. What is adyate?
Adhyete. Adhyate, adhyate, adhyate,
Then
adhyante.
really, adite, adyate, adyante. Huh?
Yakara doesn't come in there, Guruji.
No,
Adhyate,
whatever
adhyate.
she said, I typed. Okay.
Mm.
Now let us do. Yes, it's something. Okay, we'll see. I'm doing Dvivachanam also. Otherwise, all the Vachanam I will not do. Only here only. What is the Pratyaya? Te.
Ite.
Ithe.
Originally it is ta. Then Atam.
At.
Put the original Pratyaya.
Ah.
Atam here will be
Yeah.
what? Atam, what will happen to Atam?
Ithe.
Ite for Adantanga.
Hmm.
Here, Shab comes and Shab becomes look. Therefore, the Anga with regard to the Pratyaya is
Atam.
Anga with regard to the Pratyaya Atam is not Atam.
Sorry.
Itam.
Itam.
E. Not
Itam.
Itam. E. Anga with regard to the Pratyaya
Oh,
Atam
E.
is E.
E. Mm.
Is it Adantanga?
No.
No, it is not.
No, therefore Atam will remain, not Itam, not Ite. Okay. It is not Tam. In fact, originally it was Tam. For please see the here, what I have written. For Adantanga only Ite. Then Ate and Ate will be for non-Adantanga, meaning other than 1, 4, 6, 10, right? This dhatu is second conjugation, non-Adanta, Anadantanga. So Atam is fine. Then I will make it as original pratyaya as Atam. But Latlakara is Ate. Ate will become Ite for Adantanga, like the first conjugation.
Yeah.
Labate.
Hmm.
Fourth conjugation. There are Atmanepada pratyaya, like Variyate, Buddhyate. Sixth conjugation, Atmanepada pratyayas. Te Ite Ante. Whereas here it is not Adantanga. Anga is what? Anga is that which precedes a pratyaya.
Another.
Adanta anga meaning the anga with regard to tip pratyayas. If it is adanta, then the pratyaya, ate, atam or ate, whatever it is, become ite. Otherwise, no. Okay. Otherwise, no, it is ite will not come. Understand, Girijaji?
Yes, Guruji.
Ate only. You have to be alert.
Yeah.
See that. That's why conjugation itself we are writing in the beginning. Ing is which gana dhatu ing is. Adadi ganaha. Adadi gana. Not bhadi gana. Not Tudadi, not Divadi. Neither sixth, 10th conjugation. Okay. So Shab comes, but Shab becomes look. Therefore, Anga is ending with Anga happens to be only one letter, Ikara. Ending and Adi all are same only. So it is not Adanta Anga. Therefore, Ate only, not Ite. If you say Ite, I think that that's what Jyotiji did.
Yeah, Yansandi happens now.
Yeah, you put it Ite and then you do the Yansandi, that Adyate. It's okay. But you have to be, I think I told you this already, no? This Adantanga, etc.
Yes.
Now E plus, what will happen?
Yan.
That you can do. Adi, E plus E, Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Adi plus Ate.
Adyante.
Adi plus Ate.
Adhiyate.
So this is, okay, this is E plus E plus Ate, right? Here what will happen?
First it becomes Yate and then Adhi plus Yate.
No, here another rule. I think you know it. I mean, this class I taught you before. What is that? This is a Ajadi Pratyaya. Pratyaya beginning with verbal. Pratyaya beginning with verbal. When it follows the Anga, if Anga ending with the verbal. right?
Mhm.
Very specifically, we saw the,
Purva.
yeah, what is that?
Purva something. I'm not getting it, Guruji. That.
In the beginning itself, I told anga ending with ikara when followed by
Ajadi.
ajadi pratyaya, that ikara instead of yansandhi, the ikara should be replaced that by iyang adesha.
Yeah. E and U.
This shatranta itself, I told. This is also an angakarya. Okay, you can note otherwise. You don't remember, doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Up to this, I hope you follow. Adi plus E plus Ate. Okay.
Hmm.
See, Latlakara, just an example we took. Okay, we are not dealing with Adadigana Dhatu. Lot of things will come up. I will not expect that everything to be understood by you, not required. I say whatever it is, just uh, you know, just keep it in a corner of your mind. Later we will see. It will come. Later we are going to see. That time it will become more clear. Here and there some rules I will say. Okay. And here the understanding a dhatu only. The topic is understanding dhatu. Latlakara happens to be incidental. Okay. Latlakara, langlakara, lotlakara, other kritantas. So when we do lot of other rules will come. Okay. Just note it. Understand it and note it. It's okay. I won't expect you to remember it. Okay. Even if you don't understand, it's okay. It doesn't matter now. Adi plus E plus Ate. Now, when Ajadi Pratyaya follows the Ikara, that Ikara will be replaced by E, provided
Yeah.
it is not preceded by what?
Hal.
If it is not, that's also important. Yes, we have seen. What is that? What is that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, we have seen Shaknuvanti.
Samyuktaksharam.
So, what did we say there? Ajadi Pratyaya pare, right? When Ajadi Pratyaya follows Ikara Rukara, right? Ikara Rukara. Ikara Ukara happen to be the end of the Anga. Ivarnantasya or Uvarnantasya Angasya. When Ajadi Pratyaya follows, then what will happen? For the Dhatu, what will happen? Okay. For a Dhatu, this is a Dhatu. Ing is a Dhatu, right? So, the Dhatu, Ivarnanta Dhatu, here Dhatu happens to be E only. Ivarnanta and Ikara is Adi also. Ivarnanta Dhatu or Uvarnanta Dhatu, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, then that E or U will be replaced by E will be replaced by Yang, U will be replaced by Uvang. Uvang means U is the content. U will be replaced by U and E will be replaced by E. Okay. You remember with this we saw? This we saw.
Yes.
That conjunct, non-conjunct, that is for Shnu, not for here. Okay, don't bring that. Shaknuvanti we saw, just making you remember that. That we saw followed by a conjunct, right? Followed by a conjunct for Shnu. Shnu Kanavikana we saw. Then that E will be replaced by here, U will be replaced by Uva, like Shaknuvanti Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam we saw. Fine. If you don't remember that, it's okay, doesn't matter. Now, just note this much. Ivarnanta Anga, when followed by Ivarnanta Anga of the Dhatu, okay, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, should be replaced by E. Now, you can do Adi plus E, Adi, Yakara plus Ate, Adi Yate is Dvivachanam. Same thing you apply for Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachanam, what is the Pratyaya? Tatam, Anta. Anta will become Tata Manta. Anta will become for Ante. Right? But, and this is, if it is not Adanta, I write, okay, this is not Adanta because Shap is going to become look. If it is not Adantanga, then it is not Ante, it is Ate. For non-Adantanga, this also, I think in the PowerPoint it is there. Te, Ate, and where it is. Okay, not here, but you can see in Krudhatu Rupam. Krudhatu Rupam, Latlakara, if you see, Krudhatu. What is a Kurute? Kurvate, here you can say Ate, Te, Ate,
Kurvate.
Kurvate, not
Ate.
Kurvante. Kurvanti, but Kurvate, Ate only.
Ate.
Atmane Parapratyaya, Ante will become Ate for Latlakara when it is a non-Adantanga. Here non-Adantanga, therefore Ate, not Ate. Okay, you can note that also. Just understand, it's enough, okay. And now Adi plus Ajadi Pratyaya follows, Ikara will be replaced by
Iya.
Yakara, same rule. Therefore, what will
Adiyate.
happen? Adi plus Yate, Adi, sorry, Adiyate, simple.
Adiyate.
Adiyate. So, Adiyate, Adiyate, Adiyate. Second
Adiyate.
conjugation. That's why second conjugation I didn't teach in the beginning itself. Because 1, 4, 6, and after completing that, all the dhatus, other conjugation, then second conjugation we do. Because these rules will come. But you are eligible to understand. You can understand because we have seen Shatranta and all, many rules we have seen. So you should be able to follow. Okay, this rule I will, maybe I will write and tell you. See, Ivarnanta or Uvarnanta. Uvarnanta Dhatoho, right? Iyang, that E or Uv Adeshaha. Adesho Bhavataha Kada Ajadi Tatye.
Pare, pare.
Remember this. This is the rule. That's why. Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta, Dhatoho, E Uv Adesho Bhavataha Ajadi Pratyahe Pare. Okay, simple.
Guruji?
Yeah.
That conjunct.
That is for Shnu. That is very specifically
not
for
here.
Shnu, not here.
Okay.
That is for the Shnu. The rule itself says specifically for Shnu. Like Shak Dhatu,
Okay.
which is fifth conjugation, Shak plus Nu. But here we say Dhatoho, please note. I'm not saying for the Gana Vikarana. Shnu is a Gana Vikarana. So here what will have, what happens? Shak plus Nu, Shak Nu. And here let us do Anti. Shak Nu plus Anti. Here what happens? Shak plus Nu. Shnu Shakara is ith letter, therefore content is Shaknu. Nu is a content. Here Nu means Nakara plus U. Right, Nakara. Now what is this? This is not a Dhatu. This is the Anga. Whereas this is a Dhatoho. I'm talking about Dhatu. There's a difference. The Anga ending with Uvarna, which is preceded by a conjunct, then this will be replaced by Uv. Current Pochu. Hello, can you hear me? Very good. That is specifically for the Shnu. I was telling Shnu. There, when Ukara, when Nakara plus Ushnu, Ukara preceded by a conjunct consonant, then we say Ukara will be replaced by U. Therefore, Shaknuvanti we get, right?
Okay.
Please remember that is different. We have seen that in Shatranta.
Yeah.
But here we are talking about the Dhatu, just a Dhatu. Shaknu is a Gana Vikarana. So this Anga. Dhatu also could be, Dhatu is also Anga, but the Dhatu plus Gana Vikarana, it is not same, right? Dhatoho, Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta, Dhatoho. Dhatu ending with Ikara or Ukara. Where it is possible, when there is no Ganavikarana. When Ganavikarana will not come, when Ganavikarana comes and goes away, that is one possibility, or when Ardha Dhatuka
Correct.
Pratyaya follows, right? Simple.
Mm.
When Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya follows, Ganavikarana come. No, right?
No.
No. That- Therefore, this is possible to apply those conditions. Okay. Now, okay. I have done Kartam Purusha. Other Purusha, you do it. Now, Lang Lakara, next one. Lang Lakara Dhatu is E Dhatu. I have to do it quickly. Pratyaya is same. Original Pratyaya first you write. And then you can always change it. Okay. 1 minute. This is, yes. Original Pratyaya is Ta. Then what Agama will come?
Ah,
No, think.
Dirgha.
Ajadi Dhatu.
Art.
Atagama, very
Art.
good. So Atagama Dhatu is E Dhatu hope. Then Ganavikarana will come when the Pratyaya follows. What is the Pratyaya corresponding to Lakara? Ta only. Atmanepada Dhatu Ta Tamja becomes Ta. Atmanepadi, it is what?
Etam.
Ta Labata, Alabata, Alabetam, Alabanta, right? So Ta Atam Anta.
Amtam.
Ta Itam Anta for Adantanga.
Yeah.
Don't forget all these things. We know, you should know thoroughly. This is I expect. This you must know. Ta tamanta taha atamdum ivagi ahi. Atam is for the general dhatu. If it is adanta, then it is itam. Okay. Right. Then the fourth shap, what will happen becomes look. So therefore, what happens here? There is no Ganavikarana. A plus E will become. Tell me this. You have to tell. A plus E. A plus E. Atagama. Simple
Yeah.
Sandhi.
Yes.
Huh?
Ye Guruji.
Not ye. Think.
Yes.
This is Prayanadi Purvaka. Atascha Vriddhi. A plus E will become not ye. Vriddhi letter I.
Okay.
Adi plus I. What Sandhi? Adhyai. Adhyai plus ta adhyaita. That is a form. Simple. Adhyaita. Similarly, other Dvivachanam, can you try? Adhyaita. Okay.
Ajaitam.
Dvivachanam, okay, let me do Dvivachanam. Same here, I will copy. Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Other Vachanam you can do. Other Purusha, other Vachanam you try. So I will copy paste from the Latlakara. Adi Purvaka, E plus, what is the Pratyaya? Ta, Atam only, right? That will mean Tam only. Only in case of Latlakara, Atam will become Athe. But here Atam. Shap comes, Shap goes away. Ta, Atam, right? Don't forget the what? Agama. At Agama. A plus E will become
I.
I. Adi plus I plus Atam. Adi plus I becomes
Adhyaitam.
Adi
Adhyaya.
plus Adi plus I. E plus A will become
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adi plus here. Adi plus A plus here also. Ajadi Pratyaya follows. Follows what? This A plus E. A plus Atagama comes, but before that, see, Atagama comes, and here E, I'm just retaining A for some reason. Ajadi, this is Pratyaya, E. E is followed by what Pratyaya? Ajadi Pratyaya, right? So Angakarya, what will happen? E must be replaced by, as the rule, what we saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make that conversion. Yeah. Then A plus E make it Vriddhi. See, A plus E is Sandhi. And here E plus Atam is Angakarya, which is stronger.
Angakarya.
Angakarya. Otherwise, what will happen? For example, Bu Dhatu, somebody asked in the last class, Bu plus Shap plus Tip. right? What we do? Bu plus A plus T. Will you do Sandhi or will you do Angakarya? If you do Sandhi, you will not have Bhavati. You will have Bhavati. Huh? Angakarya and Sandhikarya. When Angakarya and Sandhikarya both are applicable, Angakarya should be done first. So here A plus E is I. If you make it I, then there is no E for to do Angakarya. E replaced by E is Angakarya. So do that first. And then A plus E becomes, now we can make it I. Now Adi plus I becomes Adhyay. Adhyay Ya plus Ate. Yatam, not Ate, Atam. Okay. Ta Atam is a pratyaya. Adhyay Yatam. You understand? No, there's no difficulty here. Only thing is you need to remember certain steps, rules you have to remember. Ta Atam, Ata, not Anta. Because this is Anadanta, not Adantanga. Right? Therefore, Adi plus E plus Ata, and don't forget the Atta Agama. Atta Agama must come. Then here the same thing also, followed by Ata. Therefore, E will be replaced by Ia. Adi plus A will become, Adi plus A is, sorry, A plus E is Sandhi, you do it. I, Adi plus I, Adhyay, Adhyayate. This is the form. Adhyayata, not te. It is always ta only. Okay. Ata. Copy paste problem. Adhyayata. Understand? So, therefore, what is the rupam? Lang lakara. Adhyayata, Adhyayatam, Adhyayata. Adhyayata means te Adhyayata. They studied. Okay. I taken a difficult dhatu, but what to do? We'll do all the lakaras. Then E plus Pratyaya is, tell me, you have to tell the Pratyaya. Tu tamanta is Parasipadi. Atmanipadi?
Tam etam antam.
Yes. Tam, ita, okay. Atamanta. A plus E. Here Atagama will come? No.
No.
E plus Shap plus Tam. E plus Shap plus Tam. Shap will go away. Therefore, E plus Tam. E plus Tam is what rupam? Tam is what pratyaya? Sarvadhataka pratyaya. Pit or apit?
Apit.
Apit. Can it cause Angakarya?
No.
No, it cannot cause Angakarya.
No, it cannot.
Therefore, Itam only. Adi Purvaka, Itam will become Aditam. Always you can add Adi. Aditam. I will add Adi here. Adi Purvaka. Why Adi Prayena Adi Purvaka only this dhatu is used? This dhatu always will come with Adi Upasarga. Okay, Adi plus Itam. Aditam. Other forms we can try. It's easy only. Aditam we have done. Tam, Atam. Then E will be replaced by Ia. Adiyatam. Simple. Here E will be replaced by Angakarya.
Yeah.
Then if it is Antam, E will be replaced by Yakara Adiyanta. Adiyatam. Sorry.
Yeah.
Tam, Itam, Atam. Form is Tam, Itam, not Antam, because it is non-Adantanga, therefore Atam only. The Pratyaya, you have to make some changes for non-Adantanga. That is, Tam, Itam, Antam. For non-Adantanga, it is Tam, Atam, Atam. Okay. Tam, because originally it is Atam only, right? That A of Madhyama Purusha, the Dvivachanam, becomes E for Adantanga. Similarly, Antam is for Adantanga only. Non-Adantanga, it is Atam only. So, Tam, Atam, Atam. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Other form simple. You can try. Now, this is done. Then Ling Lakara. What is the Ling Rupam? E plus Pratyaya is, original Pratyaya is Ta, you take. From that we will derive.
Iyatam iran.
Yes. Shap will come. And the Pratyaya is, now Ta will be replaced by original Pratyaya. Original Pratyaya is Ta. And for this it is what Pratyaya? Ita Iyatam, what you say is, again, that is for Adantanga.
Uh,
Non-Adantanga, it is not the Pratyaya. Anadantanga, the Pratyaya is Yat Yatam. Yat Yatam Yuhu, that is the Pratyaya for Parasvayapadi. Okay, for here, I think the same only. Yeah, for the Ling Lakara, it is same. We can take the same Pratyaya. Yes, you see here. For Ling Lakara, Yat Yatam, you can take the Kru Dhatu example, for example. Yat Yatam Yuhu, you can see in the Yat Yatam Yuhu, Yaha Yatam Yata, Yam Yava Yama, because Kru Dhatu, eighth conjugation, Nanadantanga, therefore. Whereas Atmanipadi, Ita Yatam Iran, therefore Ita only. Okay. Whatever the original Pratyaya is Ta will become Ita. That's correct. Ita. How it Ita comes, don't worry, that is out of scope. Just note. So Gana Vikarana will become look. So E plus Eta. Now, what will happen? E plus Eta, you know it. Adi Purvaka. E plus Eta. E.
Adhita.
Sorry, this is E. Ajadi Pratyaya, followed by
Adhiya.
Ajadi. Ajanta Dhatu. The Dhatu, Ivernanta Dhatu, followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. Therefore, E will be replaced by
Iya.
Yeah. So make it here. So here, then Adi plus E, Adhi,
Adhijita.
Adi, Eta, Yakara plus E, Adi, Eta. This is the form. Pratham Purusha. Other forms, okay. Let's not do it. We can do it, take this dhatu separately and do. I'm just done only one form. It's okay. Other form you can try. The same rules only will apply. Now, Karmani you take. E, dhatu plus, what pratyaya will come? Karmani, Latlakara.
Yak.
Like yak will come later. But this ta, right? E plus yak plus ta. Therefore, form would be Karmani. Prayana Adipurvaka.
Adipurvaka.
Okay. So here E plus yak plus te. What will happen?
Adhiyate.
Yeah.
Adipurvaka yak plus ta is become te. Therefore, you will have Adiyate. Adiyate, Adiyate, Adiyante. Simple. This is Langrupam E plus
Atagama.
E plus ta. Lang Lakara. Oh. In power pocha. Current cut. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Huh? Nama?